He-Man and the Masters of the Universe, Volume 3. Ooh, comes out of this little... Ooh, what is this? Oh, this looks expensive. So, today, someone contacted me and they said they have a bunch of DVDs and CDs that they don't want anymore and they want to get rid of. This bag looks like mostly movies, DVDs. The one right on top right here is brand new sealed. So that's going to be fun to go through. We got this bag right here, which is all music CDs. We got Leonard Skinner right on top, so that's a good sign. I do notice that a lot of this stuff here is kind of dirty. It's not really the cleanest, but I'm not really going to complain because I got it for free. I didn't really pay anything for it. And this one is another bag full of DVDs. So we're going to go through each bag here and see what we find. So already going through this bag here, guys, there's just some random DVDs in clear cases. So those, I don't think I could sell those on Amazon, definitely not. We got some fake DVDs, like someone had burnt some DVDs here, and it looks like there's a bunch of them. There's a bunch of illegal copies. So these ones are all going to go in the garbage. I can't really sell those. But look, I found these here. So these three DVDs, they look like they're useless, but they are Sleepaway Camp. We got Sleepaway Camp 1, Sleepaway Camp 2, and then Sleepaway Camp 3. So we have a trilogy of a DVD. And now, I'm sure none of you guys have heard of Sleepaway Camp because it is a very indie movie and it looks like it's very rare to find. And if you go on Amazon, this movie is kind of a rare gem, and even eBay. If you were to see this sold movie on eBay, the price of this actually goes up pretty high, simply because these are movies that are hard to find, and if people want to watch this movie, they have to own the DVD. Like, these are movies that aren't on streaming services. They aren't online or easy to find online, and that's why people who want to watch these movies, they have to own the DVD. So that's why these values have gone up. Now, of course, I'm not saying that it's impossible to find these online. For all I know, they could be on a certain streaming service, but my guess is that they aren't because the prices on eBay are actually way higher than normal DVD prices. So I'm thinking what I might do is, if I don't sell these on Amazon, is I'll lot them up on eBay and I'll sell them as a bundle for even a bigger price, because they have all the CDs are included. They all look like they're in good condition, so I think I might just do that. Some of the movies in here were just, looks like part of a DVD set. This is a part of a Simpsons DVD, just disc 4. There's just no rhyme or reason to any of the stuff here. This is, I don't even know what this is. Let's find out what this is. What does that say? Standard falling down. This looks like a real movie, not burnt, but again, I don't think I could sell that. These are all movies that are real, but they don't have a case. They're just in a plastic. These are all the illegal movies that I've been stockpiling. But then I found these guys down here. Now, these guys are a different breed of illegal movie, okay? So let me show you what these things are. These movies here look like they might be new, like they're brand new in a sealed package, still sealed. It says The Conjuring, and it has a little movie poster of it, and it has a disc right behind. These are made to look like they're new and that they're real and legit, but these, they're not at all legit, okay? So to the unsuspecting person, these might be a certain type of DVD that you find in the store. And I've actually even, one time in my life, I've seen these exact same type of DVDs for sale inside of a local convenience store. Obviously, it was run by the owner, and they were trying to sell these as real movies to unsuspecting people. And here's just a regular disc. Here's a Frozen Rise of the Guardians. Let's actually try to open one of these, and let's see. So, oh, this one's sealed, but there's no disc in it. So let's go ahead and try to open up one of these. So let's go ahead and here, this is, I believe, How to Train Your Dragon. let's go ahead and open one of these. I'll show you how to identify a real disc from a fake disc. So this is a Epic, Blue Sky Epic. This is a movie called Epic. And they put a little, looks like the DVD case inside of it. And inside this plastic is the actual DVD. Okay, good enough. You can see right off the bat, if you guys can't tell, a fake disc will look purpley blue behind like this. Not all of them, but a lot of them will. And even if you that's not really a determining factor. Looking right in the inner circle over here, you'll see Data Byte. That is the company. Sometimes you'll see Memorex or whatever brand of CD it is. And then you'll see DVD -R. And then you'll see the size of the disc. Most normal DVDs will not say that on the disc. Fake discs will always say that. And that's how you know, whether it be a DVD or a video game, you'll know that it is a fake copy. So this is a fake copy. These are all fake copies. You should be on the lookout for these. Like, in case you guys don't know, these are all fake copies. Don't fall for this trick. What is this in here? Spider-Man? It's like a half CD. And Spider-Man in Chinese? I don't even know what this is. Is this a movie or is this a soundtrack? I have to scan this and see how much this goes for. 1 second. All right, guys. Well, I tried to look this up, and there's even a barcode in the back. I put the number in. It doesn't come up on any marketplace on Amazon. So I don't know what to do with this. I'm probably gonna toss it, but I'm gonna do some extra research on this Chinese version. I think it's Chinese version of Spider-Man. I think it's a DVD. It just, the back makes it look like it's a CD. And I just don't know. Compact disc. Yeah, I think it's a CD. So, based on the legendary flagship character of Marvel Comics, this is a story of Peter Parker, a high school student living with his Aunt May and Uncle Ben after the death of his parents. Yeah, just describing Spider-Man. I don't know, maybe I'll put it into something and I'll test it later. Here is a blank copy of Little Mermaid. Here's another empty blank. Oh. Here's a perfect example of some of the gross things you could find while getting free product. This case is all destroyed. It doesn't close properly. It's all crumpled. It's like folded. And it says that it's a Vault of Horror 10 movie collection. There's one disc in here. It's possible that all the movies are on one disc, but I feel like there are missing discs inside of here. So this is definitely going to be something that we toss. I found this 3-pack of horror movies. And here's a little tip for you guys, okay? So I scanned this for Amazon in the back right here, and it wasn't that great of a product. So normally you would just toss this. But because there's 3 movies in here, what I recommend is if you ever get something like this, just take the movies out and scan each movie individually, because now it's no longer part of a collection. This is just the movie individually. So this price on Amazon might be a different price than the full 3-pack set. So that's a way, in case this is bad for you, there's a chance that just an individual movie out of the 3 might be actually beneficial, and then you could just sell the individual movie by itself on Amazon. Now, that's not the case with this case, but I've had instances where that has actually happened. So that is a great tip for anybody who's selling multiple packs of box sets like this. Oh, what is that down there? Oh, He-Man and the Masters of the Universe Volume 3. Ooh, comes out of this little... Ooh, what is this? Oh, this looks expensive. Episode guide. Oh, dang. Okay, so this must have some value. And I'm actually surprised that I found this inside this box. It's got all 3 discs are included. It's got the episode guide here. It's got this thing. Whatever. Oh, these are like cards or something. Yeah, these look like cards. Yeah, this looks like really nice. And I'm gonna scan this and see what's going on with this thing, because I'm sensing some revenue here. So I'm sensing some type of value here. Let's see what it's worth. All right, guys. So I just looked this up on Amazon. I couldn't really find much, and I think it's restricted on Amazon for some reason. But I checked on eBay, and there was a recent sold comp on eBay for $44 for this used. So I did notice that mine has a little chip here at the top, but other than that, it's pretty good condition. So I'm assuming I can get like $20 to $30 for this, just because of the defect there. But that is really great. That was really great. That's a really great thing to find inside of this bag, and we're gonna keep going through it. I also found this along with the fake DVDs. This is a perfect example of a next level type of fake DVD. So this you could tell that is fake just because the cover looks kind of like a little off. It looks like it wasn't printed on properly. It looks like it was like, you know, right here. You could tell like fine little details that seem like it was not made properly. And then you could really tell once you open the discs, and there's 2 discs inside, and you could see like, well, I mean, on this one it's pretty obvious because someone wrote season 1 disc 1, season 1 disc 2, and there's even writing on the disc. But you could tell that this disc right here, I'll try to get it out to show you guys. This disc right here is a fake disc because it's got the purple back, and this one says TDK DVD-R, so you could tell that it's fake. And someone on some fake DVDs, some people are gonna spray paint or actually put a fake cover sticker over the actual fake disc, and you could even see right here as I'm peeling it away, it's coming off. It's a sticker. So someone put a sticker of the actual DVD image over this DVD, and it's just one of the many fake type of DVDs that you could find. So this, obviously someone made these. They downloaded the movie, put it on a DVD, and printed off a fake sticker and stuck it over this to make it look more legit. And that is another fake thing that I cannot sell on Amazon, because that's one thing you guys really don't want to know, really don't want to do, is sell fake things on Amazon. So once you can catch these things, you will make your life a lot easier. So at the bottom of the first bag, we did find a copy of Arrested Development Season 2 on this DVD, and it's kind of battered and broken, and it kind of like just doesn't look in great condition. And on top of that, it's missing one of the DVDs that are supposed to be inside this pack. There should be 3, but there's only 2. So this is another dud that you cannot sell on Amazon. You can't sell things on Amazon that don't have the complete ingredients, essentially. Like if it's missing a CD, don't bother selling it on Amazon, because you will get a bad review and you will possibly get your account terminated. All right, so that's the end of the bag number 1. Moving on to bag number 2. So we got some Bob Marley stuff, and oh no, is this missing a disc? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, missing a disc. Damn it. I think this is actually these types of things where they're like in a collection like this, especially Bob Marley. I feel like this would have been worth a lot of money. But we have this here, Bob Marley Forever. It comes in a little tin. That looks pretty cool. I gotta see if the discs are included. And they are, so that's nice. So I could sell this, but I can't sell this on Amazon, which sucks because I think this is actually worth more. Let's see. Pet sounds. All right. If you guys want a soundtrack of just pet sounds, here it is. Okay, so we just finished going through the second bag, and this is what we got so far. So we have, this pile is duds, and then this pile here is all good for Amazon. So we got a bunch of CDs on top, and on the bottom we have a bunch of DVDs. And I believe the He-Man one is in here as well, but that one's going to go on eBay. Actually, no, it's right over here. Never mind. Just ignore what I said. All right, guys, that is everything. We've gone through all 3 bags, and this is what I have classified everything here. So in the green bag, it's just all the illegal DVDs that we found. This bag is all the stuff I don't need. It's probably going to be returned back to thrift stores. And then this bag right here is all the stuff I'm keeping, all the stuff that is going into an Amazon box. It's actually going to be going into this box right here, if it could fit. But this box already has some items that I have been that I've listed, some books, some brand new. This is a DVD thing, I don't know. But that stuff is going into a box. Maybe it's going to go in that box, maybe not. But I could definitely get a full box's worth of stuff just based off the stuff in this bag. So that's just one day of going out and getting free stuff, guys. And I just want to say to you guys, this stuff was all given to me willingly, and someone who was going to go donate this to a thrift store actually contacted me before they did that and said, hey, do you want to just come get it? And this is the next level type of thinking that you guys should apply to your FBA business, okay? Because think about it. If you go to a thrift store and you're scanning through the shelf, whether it be books or DVDs or CDs or video games or whatever it is, you are competing with other sellers who are also going to that same thrift store. So sometimes when you go to a thrift store and you're scanning through the shelf, you're going through a whole row of books that have already been gone through by somebody else. So what's another way of getting to those books before somebody else can? Well, getting to those books before they even get to a thrift store. And this is exactly what I'm talking about, guys. So what I have done is I've created a book/DVD/CD removal business, and people contact me through Facebook to say, hey, I have some stuff, come pick it up for me. And I have a storage locker, and I go and put it all there, and I scan through it in there in the privacy of my storage locker. And it's just way better, guys, because you guys got to think about the person who's donating, right? They are going, if they wanted to bring their stuff to a thrift store, they have to actually drive, they have to put it into the bag, and they got to drive it to a physical location and dump it off over there. Whereas with me, I'm actually telling them, hey guys, I'm going to come to you and pick it up. I'm going to give you the option of not having to drive somewhere to do it. So if you want to give it to me, I'll come and take it off your hands, and they don't even have to leave their house. They can just leave it in a box outside, and I'll just come and pick it up. So for them, that is a way better choice as opposed to actually going to spend money on gas and getting rid of things that they are, in their eyes, trash, essentially. So that's why people will always, not always, but a lot of the time, people will choose the Facebook Marketplace option as opposed to just going to a thrift store. So I'm telling you guys, try it out. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work, but it has been working very, very well for me. But yeah, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys didn't like it, that's all right too. Give me a finger if you want. Yell at me in the comments. I don't really care. If you guys liked it, please like the video. Please subscribe. Please comment. I'm really fast at responding to comments. And see you guys in the next one.